Today I'm gonna show you how to put trippeval, not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, you have it here, the name, if you have the same blind. So I'm gonna show you how to put that up on the ceiling or on the wall. I'm gonna explain everything around it. Here is how it looks. Let's do it. Here is what you're getting with your IKEA TRIPPEVALS Block out cellular blinds. So you're gonna get in the box the blind, one plastic box with the brackets and the holder, kind of plastic holder where you're gonna pull on the blind up and down. So this is those two L-shaped brackets, that's the plastic. Manual instructions you're not gonna need if you're gonna follow this video. So here is those two L brackets which have kind of plastic lock at the end. Here is how they come in to the rail on the top of the blind. So you just put the front in and click the back part into the rail on the top of the blind. On the other side exactly the same, front in and then click the back in. This is the lock on the front of each of those two L brackets. When you want to open it, just push on the lock and release the bracket from the blind. Wall plugs and the screws, they're not included in the box, so you're gonna have to get them separately. And you can mount this blind on the ceiling or on the window molding or on the side, on the wall, wherever you desire. In this case, you just measure from side to side, so it's gonna be equal. The brackets are gonna be distributed equally from each side. You're gonna go, I was planning to go on the window molding here, but it's not straight, so I decided to go with the ceiling in a bit, but I'm gonna explain that in the moment. So here now we have distributed equally from the side, but you see the molding is not 90 degrees, it's kind of bending, so I'm gonna go with the ceiling here. Regarding the ceiling, you may need to use the wall plugs unless you have some wooden panel after the ceiling or something harder or you can grip properly without the wall plugs. Mark the holes. Mark the L brackets, one holes or both holes, and before you drill anything in the wall, check with the wall scanner if there is no any pipes or any electric wires, but you don't want to drill it through. So check on both sides. If your wall is clear, you can go with the screw or just drill. In this case I just go with the shorter screw, just check what is behind the wall. I was hoping for some wooden stud or wooden panel behind the ceiling, which wasn't the case at this point because I have quite short screws. So I thought I'm gonna have to go with the wall plugs. So I start to drill on one side and then I feel something harder, not hard as a pipe, and the scanner wasn't indicating there is a pipe, so I took a longer screw and tried grip nicely into the wood, so I was happy with that. If you take a longer screw and the head is quite big, you're not going to be able to lock or unlock that plastic, so make sure you have a longer screw if you just go with longer screws with the smaller head. The head have to go through the plastic lock, then you're able to open and lock the blind anytime when it's attached already on the wall, so it has to go all the way in. Now I can attach the bracket as I have the long screw with the small head which go nicely through the lock, so it's not going to obstruct the lock from locking and unlocking. And I can do exactly the same at the back of the bracket, so there is a hole for the second screw. Just push it all the way in this case nicely in the wooden panel behind the ceiling. Unlock and lock comfortably as the head of the screw is smaller than the opening in the plastic lock. Other side exactly the same, long screw with a smaller head. Secured in. It grips nicely on this side as well. I can lock it and unlock it comfortably. And same at the back of the bracket. Just secure the screw in. If you're not lucky as I am here, I find the wooden stud there, just do the wall plugs and do exactly the same with the screws. Now we can put the blind up, so first we're gonna go with the front side where is the lock, so just click the front side in and then click it at the back. You're gonna hear the click, so once it clicks at the back, you're in a safe position and that's how it's supposed to be. You still can move the blind left and right once it's locked in, so you don't need to worry about it too much to do it that straight away. When you're unlocking, just push the plastic lock in and unlock the blind and take it off. Put it on again, exactly the same, so don't worry about exactly the straight on point right now when you put it in, because you can push it left and right. Push the front and click it at the back. And you have the IKEA TRIPPEVALS cellular blind on. Last thing you need to do, open it completely and put this plastic in. So just clip it on one side and hook it on the other side. Now you can push it up and down. And this is how you put TRIPPEVALS cellular blind on the wall or on the ceiling. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If yes, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel as always. You will make my day, and see you in my next one very, very soon. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's do it. Let's do it. Put up let's do it. TRIPPEVALS cellular TRIPPEVALS, and this is it.